Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will start a new series of lecture on drilling machine. The last lecture series was on lathe machine. Link of the lecture series is in the description box. Today we will study about introduction of drilling machine, working principle and its basic parts. So let's begin. Introduction. The drilling machine is defined as a machine which is used to make a circular hole, a tool used to drill the hole of different size. The drilling machine is one of the most important machine in the workshop. Drilling is basically a technology of creating holes. Drilling operation can be also performed on lathe machine. In lathe machine, workpiece rotates and drilling tool is held stationary in the tailstock. But in drilling machine, holes may be drilled quickly and at a low cost. Holes is generated by rotating edge of cutting tool known as drills, which applies a large force on the work clamped on the table. As the machine uses vertical pressure to originate a hole, it is loosely called as drill press. History. Homo sapiens discovered the benefits of application of rotary tools. This would have consisted of a pointed rock being between hand to bore a hole through another material. This leads to hand drill, a smooth stick that was sometimes attached to a point and was rubbed between the palms. The earliest drill were bow drills, which date back to ancient Harappan and Egyptians. The drill press as a machine tool evolved from the bow drill and is many centuries old. It was powered by various power sources over centuries, such as human effort, water wheels, and windmills, often use of belts. With the coming of electric motors in late 19th century, there was a great rush to power machine tool with such motor and drill were among them. The invention of first electric drill was credited to Mr. William Brain and Arthur Arnott. Over the last century, electric drills has been credited in a variety of types and multiple sizes for an assortment of specific uses. Basic parts of drill machine. The drill machine consists of base, table, table clamp, column, electric motor, hand wheel, chuck, and drill. Base. The base of drill machine is that part of a machine on which the vertical column is mounted. The base is made up of casting. It supports the column and work table with other attachment. The top of base is round column section type upright drilling machine and has T-slots on it so that large workpiece and work holding devices may be set up and bolted to it. The base of machine may be mounted on a bench or on the floor. Column. The column of a drilling machine is the vertical member of the machine which supports the table and the head containing all the driving mechanisms. It is a cylindrical casting mounted vertically at one end of the bed and supports the radial arm which slides up and down. An electric motor at the top of the column helps in the vertical adjustment of the arm by rotating a screw passing through a nut attached to the arm. Table. The table is mounted on the column and is provided with T-slots for clamping the work directly on its face. A table is a round or rectangular in shape. Radial arm. It is mounted on the column and extends horizontally over the base. It has guideways on which drill head slides. The radial arm moves around the column. Drill head. It is mounted on radial arm and drives the drill spindle. In some of the drill machines, drill head may be adjusted up or down for accommodating different heights of work. In addition to table adjustment, it encloses all the mechanism for driving the drill at a different speed and feed. In lighter machine, driving motor is mounted at rear end of the head, counterbalancing the weight of the drill spindle. Driving mechanism. The motor at the top of the drill head drives the horizontal spindle and the motion is transmitted to the drill head through a group of bevel gear with another group of gears. Different spindle speed and feed are obtained.
So guys, that's all for today. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.